Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll be doing some Jamaican steam white rice, the perfect white rice. I'm using jasmine rice. Grab a pot with water. I'm putting some coconut oil in mine. You can use butter, a pinch of salt, some green onion or scallion. You can chop up the green onion and leave it in whole. Cover your pot, bring that to a boil. Once your water starts to boil, add your white rice to the pot. Give that a stir. Cover and let that boil again for 5 minutes. Once that boils, remove your lid, give that a stir. Make sure no rice grain stuck at the bottom of the pot. Cover again, boil for another 15-20 minutes on medium to low heat. Once your water is all absorbed and your rice grain is soft, take a fork, check it, fluff your rice. If it's done, you can start plating. If it's not, you can just continue fluffing your rice. Cover again and let that sit for another 5-10 minutes on your lowest setting, the lowest heat possible. Or you can cover with the aluminum foil and go for another 5-10 minutes. There you go, guys, your perfect steamed white rice. Enjoy that with any protein of your choice. Check the link at the end of the video for some curry goat or oxtail. Hit the share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.